In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily install GTA 5 FiveM for Enhanced. So FiveM for Enhanced is now available, and I'm going to show you how to install it. So if this video does help you in any way, consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on and liking the video because it does mean a lot to the channel. So now to go ahead and do this, to start, you need to make sure that you have GTA 5 Enhanced already downloaded. So as you can see, I have it right now. You want to make sure that you have it as well. And then once you have the enhanced version downloaded, you want to go to FiveM's website, which is fivem.net. You can see it right here. Once you go to fivem.net, you want to go ahead and scroll down, and you will see FiveM for GTA 5 Enhanced. So what you want to do is click download FiveM for GTA 5 Enhanced. Once you do that, click up here, and it'll go ahead and bring you this pop-up where it says FiveM for GTA 5 Enhanced. And now what you want to do is go ahead and click on install. Now it's going to go ahead and say downloading just like how it says for me. And then it is going to go ahead and bring you into FiveM Enhanced, and it is going to go ahead and make you log in. Now, if it does ask you and it says it like it can't find the files for GTA, what you want to do is go to Steam, go to GTA 5 Enhanced, right click on it, manage, and you want to click browse local files, and then you want to go to GTA 5 Enhanced and copy the address just like that, and then you want to paste it into FiveM if it cannot find it. But as you can see, it already went ahead and found it for me. So now what you want to go ahead and do is basically log into this. So you want to go ahead and log into your Rockstar Games account, just like how I am right now. So just go ahead and do that. And then once you do go ahead and sign in, it'll go ahead and sign you in. And then you will be on your thing, right? Then what you could go ahead and do is X out of that, and it will go ahead and say downloading update, which is for GTA 5 FiveM for Enhanced. It'll go ahead and download. Just go ahead and let it download for you, and you will go ahead and have it. So if this video did help you, consider subscribing. And yeah, that is about it. Peace.